Oh, for the one who graduated. So great. You know, we remember all
Music in my left foot. Music in your left foot. Music in my right. Music in your right. I got music in my hair. Music in your head. Music in my leg. Oh no. I got music in my elbow. Music in my knee. So baby, I got music all over me. Everybody. Music in my north. Music in your north. Music in my south. I got music in my ears. And even music in my mouth. I got music in my east, music in my west, music in my back, and even music in my chest. Music me. Music me. Oh, I got music in Miami. I got music in Vermont. I got all the music in me anyone could ever want. Over here, music over there, music over here and there, music everywhere, oh, music where you work, music where you are, music in the country and music down low. I like music, I like music,
Great job singing. Let's move you over a little. Such a great class this year. Everybody's been such good friends, and everybody does such a good job with everybody that we've really had a lot of fun, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, and so we've really had a good time, and a lot of kids are going to kindergarten next year, and some of us get to come and see us again next year, so very cool. And Cameron Jones is going to kindergarten.
Yay!